This video is an update to a video that was posted about 7 days before this video called Should I Invest in Cryptocurrencies? My original intention was to post this video at the end of July 2021. Near the latter part of July, the cryptocurrency markets really started to fall significantly and were getting to a very critical level. I went ahead and decided to upload the video just so that I had something online that other people could watch to hopefully help them make decisions as far as cryptocurrencies. Now, personally, I don't invest in cryptocurrencies. I teach about the stock market in general and the S&P 500 in particular. But because I get a lot of questions about this, because the cryptocurrencies are becoming more and more important, I wanted to do a section on this. And if you want to learn more about the basics of cryptocurrencies, please watch the video right before this, and there is a link below this video to that first video. What I'm updating right here is nothing that changes what I recorded in the first video. It's looking at the charts now that 1 week has passed because interesting things are starting to happen. Another thing I want to state is if you're listening to this video and you make a comment, I have no problem with that, whether it's positive or negative. But after I posted that first video, I started getting a lot of crap comments from people that said they subscribed when they didn't and thanked me for the videos and yet weren't even watching them. And I get all of these comments promoting some guru or some program because there are two areas that are real susceptible to scams right now. Cryptocurrencies, and the other one is Forex or foreign exchange. I started this program to do battle against those programs. If you want to leave a comment, by all means, I don't care what you say, other than do not give a name or a program or tell me about some guy that says, oh, just within the last 6 weeks, I'm up from this amount to this amount. That will not get posted. I changed all of the comments so that they are now moderated. I look at them first before they get posted onto the site. I am not going to promote the junk that's out there, and there's a lot of junk. There's a lot of scammers and there's a lot of bad programs. And I'm posting this to try to do away with that and to help the people that are going to get hurt by listening to all the garbage that's really out there. Now, if you didn't even hear this and you still post a comment, nobody's ever going to see it anyway, because I'm just not going to allow that to be posted. And for some reason, if it does get through, I will delete it. I would rather maintain the integrity of what I'm doing than have comments posted on my videos. This is the chart that I brought up in the video that I posted near the end of July. As I record this, it is August 1st, 2021. Compare this chart with the chart that you see in the previous video, and I said that if 3,200 is broken on a closing basis, it could get very ugly for those who are long. And that pretty much happened. We came right down to that level. Over on the right-hand side, we dropped down to that level. I thought we were going to go even lower, but we were able to stay above a lot of the stop losses and a lot of the people who have sold puts and a lot of the people that would be in real danger, and we were able to push back up over that. What's interesting is we've bounced up out of that, and this chart is an end-of-day chart, and it's based on the index, and this is as of Friday's close. There's another chart that I'll show you right after this that trades over the weekend. And as I record this, it is about 10 a.m. Sunday morning, August 1st, West Coast time. So there's still all of Sunday, Sunday night, and into Monday to go after I record what I have to say in this video. So things could really begin to happen. Even though we dropped a little bit below it on a closing basis, we were able to hold that support level and then bounce up out of it. Now it's going to be interesting to see where do we go from here, because we are working our way through what is called a head and shoulders topping pattern, which is a very reliable pattern. I'm not a big pattern person, but this one is just so blatant and so right in your face, I felt I had to say something about it. So let's look at this next chart. This is updated as of just before I started recording. This is a 10-minute chart. So each one of these bars, if it's red, it's down. If it's green, it's up. But each one of these bars is 10 minutes long. An interesting thing happened from Friday's close until Sunday that hasn't even been picked up on the chart that I just showed you. Look over on the right-hand side. What I did is I measured what's called a Fibonacci retracement. I went way back to the highs that were made in about the middle of May. I drew a line all the way down to the bottom, which we met just about a week ago. And then you see these red lines going across. Those are called Fibonacci retracement levels. And when I initially was going to do this video, I thought, oh, look at this. We've come right up to the 38.2 retracement level, but we're having a hard time getting through that. That is significant overhead resistance. And if you look back into the 14th of June, in that week or so, you can see where we hit that area again. Not only are we dealing with a Fibonacci level, but we're also dealing with previous resistance. Well, then look what happened way over on the right-hand side. From Friday night into Saturday and then into Sunday, we were able to break above that 38.2% level, and now we're trading above it. And once you break through overhead resistance and you come back down, that now becomes support. So this could be quite positive. We'll have to see if these levels maintain. The problem is you have a lot of crypto traders out there who have no clue what this even means. So they're not necessarily looking at this. This is what I'm seeing in a market that I don't even trade. So just be aware of that. The 41,000 level is pretty critical right now. Can we stay above that, or are we going to drop down below it? It's going to be interesting to see how things trade once things open Monday in the US session, to see if prices are able to go above 41 or if we take out the support and then begin to fall back down. If we go back down under support, there's a lot of stop loss orders at that level, and that could really have a significant influence. Just like I thought once we broke the 30,200 level, we did. We closed below that, but a lot of stop loss orders and things didn't kick in. So there's a lot of other forces going on right now that you generally don't see in the markets. What I plan to do is I will make updates to this video as I see them to be needed. Because like I said, I'm just doing this for the benefit of people that are interested in cryptocurrencies. This is nothing that I actually trade in myself. So thank you very much for watching this. I appreciate that very much. And this is just an addendum video. It's not one of my usual longer videos that I do. Please click a like or a dislike. Please subscribe and leave any comments if you so desire. Again, remember what I said at the beginning about the comments. Then please access the workshop. I didn't talk about the workshop in this video because it's in the other video that I posted a week ago. But I do have a 90-minute free workshop just to ask you some questions and have you think about some things that you might find helpful. There's also a public Facebook group. Now, we don't talk about cryptos in that group. We talk about just the S&P 500 and the stock market. And I also have a blog. So thank you very much, and I'll talk to you in the next video.